Here's meteorologist Michelle Muscatello with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 futurecast.
I'm going crazy, Michelle. I want to see the sun. It sets in 4.5 hours. Are we going to see it or what?
Well, I do think that many of us will see at least a little glimmer of sun before the day is done. But, you know, we really turn a corner starting tomorrow. And we're going to get into some very nice weather that will last into early next week. So hang in there, Patrick. You'll get your vitamin D. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12 radar over Rhode Island into southeastern Massachusetts. It is still damp in quite a few areas. But now as we look north and west of 295, especially as you cross into Massachusetts, we are seeing the clouds breaking up, and the trend has been for that clearing to happen from north to south. So if you're along the coast, it may be tough to squeeze in sunshine before that 4:30 sunset. The further inland that you are, you will continue to see those slow improvements for today. Now, dry skies start to finish begins tomorrow, and again it lasts for right into early next week, and a warming trend into the weekend. We're talking about temperatures near 60 for a few days. We're going to ease up the winds too. Still gusty out there this afternoon. We've seen some 25, 35 mile an hour winds over Rhode Island. The strongest winds today have still been over the outer Cape and the islands, anywhere from 35 to 45 miles per hour. Temperatures, well, they haven't changed much. In fact, even falling a few degrees in a few spots through the morning. About 45 in Johnston, 43 in Cumberland, and 46 degrees in East Providence, 47 right now, Newport. Live city cam pictures, still that thick cloud cover with the temperatures that are in the mid-40s, but it feels like 38 when you factor in those northeasterly winds sustained at 21 miles per hour. All right, so the view for this afternoon, windy but drier. Again, some breaks in the cloud cover developing as we head into the late afternoon and early evening. Satellite and radar, we finally kicked that storm out to sea late today, tonight, and that's going to bring back that change in the weather to drier, brighter skies for us. And the winds, again, will be still a little breezy tomorrow, but they will die down. 1 o'clock this afternoon, still showing the cloudy skies, and then watch what happens. By the time heading off to bed, skies have cleared most areas, and we'll wake up to partly to mostly sunny skies tomorrow morning. And that's the way we'll stay for Veterans Day tomorrow. So a dry day if you're heading out to a ceremony or parade. Looking fine for any of those activities, though it will be cool. So with the help of a little sun, I think temperatures will make it out of the 40s into the lower 50s, but sky's going to clear a little bit for this to happen. About 51 in Burrillville, breaks the sun drying out. It stays cool and damp into at least the next couple of hours. New Bedford, Plymouth at about 51, 49, Middletown, and Little Compton. Your Veterans Day, partly cloudy skies and a high around 50 degrees. The significant warm-up begins for us on Friday, and that's when I'm forecasting highs to be around 59. 60 for Saturday. Sunday is dry and still mild in the upper 50s. And even Monday looks quiet weather-wise. We could see some showers around here by the middle of next week, but some much-deserved brighter, drier skies in the days ahead for us, and looking good if you don't have work or school tomorrow to get out and remember our veterans, or maybe do a little yard work, because certainly lost a lot of leaves in the winds the last few days. You can get your updated forecast 24/7 on the Pinpoint Weather Station, Cox Digital Cable Channel 125. I told you you could hold off on the yard work over the last couple of days, but I think you're going to have to pay up here at the end of the week.
Can you tell me to hold off for the next 4 days?
Yeah, you got to get some golf in, right?
I'd like to. Thanks, Michelle.